Today's video topic is on 7 quick stretches for stress relief you can do right now. These stretch ideas will give you calm in 1 minute flat. A few moments of stretching is great not only for your physical health but for your mental health as well. For many of us, feeling at least some stress during the day is inevitable. It may come from too many emails in your inbox, too many appointments on your calendar, too many chores to do at home, or a big household repair problem like a clogged sink, or difficulties dealing with an illness or injury. Since it's not possible to just eliminate all these stressors, you may want to use stretching as a tool to manage the stress. Stretching is unbelievably effective because the more sedentary you are, the stiffer your body becomes. Physical restrictions caused by tight, stiff muscles not only negatively affect how you move when exercising, it also affects you physically and mentally as you go about your everyday activities. Stretching is also a good way to unwind and distress during or after a busy day. Stress in your muscles manifests as tightness, and when you relax those muscles, you can tap into your body's ability to release mental stress. Stretching and movement provide proper circulation, needed increased oxygen, and release tension in your muscles. Together, all of these effects help you simmer down. Increasing circulation relaxes muscles, sending smooth, elevating blood flow to the brain. A higher oxygen level, a result of breathing deeply through stresses, slows your heart rate and blood pressure. And finally, letting go of the physical tension, a stress sends the message to your brain to relax. When performing stretches, hold each for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat each 2 to 4 times. Take a total of 5 slow, controlled breaths when holding each rep of a stretch, which should be about 15 minutes. Here are 7 stretches that will help your body and mind relax. Let's start out with child's pose. Your lower back is a prime place for the body to hold on to tension. Stretches like child's pose elongates the back and releases low back tightness and stiffness. This yoga pose can also promote healthy sleep. Kneel on the floor, bring your feet together and open your knees to create a V shape. Sit back up, keeping your butt on or reaching towards your heels, and walk your hands in front of you so that your chest lowers to the ground. Breathe deeply through the diaphragm. Seated spinal twist. A spinal twist combines a deep breath with a twisting motion, like wringing the stress out of your spine as you would wring water out of a wet towel. You can easily perform this right in your chair at work for a much-needed break during a busy workday. Stretch number 3 is called Happy Baby. The benefit of this stretch is that it will help open your hips, which is a common reason for a tight back. We create poor body positions every day from sitting too long. Yoga stretches like these may also be used to help alleviate chronic back pain. Relaxing stretch number 4 is called Lion Glute Stretch. This stretch is good for putting some movement into your lower back, especially if you've been sitting still. This stretch requires you to lie down on a flat surface, and it can be done with or without assistance. What's more, the stretch releases tight hamstrings. It helps externally rotate the hip and provide a stretch to the outer glutes to target the lower back. The relaxing stretch number 5 is called Wide Leg Forward Fold. This stretch is a perfect do-it-all-in-one move. It's especially great for tight hamstrings. Stress tip number 6 is called Chest Opener Stretch. This is a great stretch when you need a quick release. This stretch promotes proper posture and releases tension through your chest to maximize oxygen and circulation. Clasp your hands behind your back, squeeze your upper shoulder blades towards each other behind you, and push out through your chest. Stretch tip number 7, rotational neck stretch. Reacting to stress by tensing up your neck and scalp muscles can trigger a tension headache. To keep healthy flexion in your neck and let go of the tightness, this simple and effective neck stretch targets the muscles in the back of your neck. Bring your chin to your chest and rotate your chin towards an armpit. If you need more of a stretch, place your hands on the back of your head and push your head closer to your armpit. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you find these 7 quick stretches for stress release useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, and repost. Treasures from Jones posts 2 to 3 videos per week, so hit that notification button so you'll know when the next video is posted. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.